Hello, welcome back to my channel. Do you remember what this is? Yes, this is the kimchi I made 4 weeks ago. It's edible, but there are many kimchi dish recipe using fermented kimchi. So I deliberately left some to show you how to make one of them. We call it kimchi bokkeum, which means stir-fried kimchi rice. This is a really basic recipe, but you can change with other ingredients in it afterward. I'm going to use the leftover pork I have in my fridge. Picnic pork, 150 grams, chopped into small pieces. I'm going to use pork fat for frying, but if you have lean meat, then you need to add oil for frying. I slightly squeeze the kimchi before chopping. Anyway, chop the kimchi into small pieces too. Heat the pan first, enough, and put the chopped meat without any oil. You need to fry it until it gets golden brown. You can see the fat from the meat. I think it's time to put the kimchi. Mix well with meat and stir fry together until kimchi gets golden brown. If you think stir-fried enough, then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar makes kimchi less sour and gives a sweetness. I think it's time to put cooked rice. This is a homemade rice, so looks so brown and other ingredients in it. When you make fried rice, we use just cold cooked rice. When you mix with other ingredients, just use the spatula like this, like cutting something. And I think it's almost done. You need to add a little bit of salt to taste. And the last mixing, stir frying. Today I used a pork fat for frying, so I'm not going to add sesame oil for frying anymore. But if you use lean meat for this dish, maybe you will get more flavor with putting extra sesame oil at the last. I think finished. I usually serve like this, putting on fried egg with seaweed and crushed sesame seed. Well, finished. I put fried egg and seaweed and crushed sesame. This is what I usually have when I have stir-fried kimchi rice. Anyway, if you want more spice, you can put chili powder when you're stir-frying, or you can put kimchi juice, even kimchi juice. Anyway, there are many other stir-fried kimchi recipe. I will show you later. And I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and any comment will be welcomed. Bye.